and I did my post-graduation in 2014. After that, I have an experience as an assistant professor. So I just wanted to change over my career to software field. So when I thought about this, so the first name which I got in my mind was Aisha. So he was a faculty in Pyspiders. So as soon as I contacted him, he helped me a lot. So in updating myself towards some software tools, and I joined for Python full stack developer. So it's a really good institute. I would vouch for all the freshers and for any experienced candidates who are thinking of updating their inventories. So even if you are working also, they provide you with very flexible timings and flexible classes. Faculties are very knowledgeable. They'll help you with all the like whether you want any guidance in interview or whether you are facing any difficulties in coding. So they will help you a lot and they are very flexible. So I would vouch this institute. It's a work. So I got placed to HANA Software Solutions. As soon as my basics was completed, that too before advanced. So just after completing 2 months of my training, I was able to place based on SQL. So this is a really good